Action.
And that's from the top of the next piece on each side.
Why is that must go to the wall? Shall we sit them on or?
Yes,
Want a step ladder? Shall we lift the platform up first?
No.
Tall enough.
Okay, don't panic. Don't stand there.
No, I can't. That's why I'm not tall enough. Up higher than
Mum.
Yep.
I'll just do the introduction.
good at touching that. It's good.
Hello everyone, we're just setting up the scaffolding for the next chiselling to commence. Chiselling all the top from the top to the bottom half, and then we're going to cement. Thanks for watching.
Say it again, Viv. When you're ready. Do you need more of these or?
Yes.
Ready to choose your the other one to put.
And why don't what you do with this is when you're lifting it up, is you both would just lift one end up first, move that end, and lift that end up. Do it a piece at a time instead of lifting it together. From underneath you can do it.
Action.
That's good.
Then the next one diagonal to miss it again.
Okay, well, I'm going to try and get that one further more across because I can't move that.
Use your fist.
I did.
No, like,
I can't move it. It's stuck.
okay.
It's solid then.
Solid with the rust. Okay, I'll get that next one. It's a
You
bit
have
bent.
to get that just higher than the metal this time.
Okay. The straighter one of this will do.
That'll do. We'll get it going. Maybe what? I don't know. Is it on?
It's on.
That's good.
Just keep it.
One on the very top of that one,
Where? The very top.
very top, or second from the top on that side,
Okay, where?
on that side.
Okay.
Second from the top, probably there. To wherever it goes on the other side.
So there you're saying.
Yeah, but you need to be on
So
the outside.
there,
You need
okay.
to be on the outside.
There, or do you want it on this
On the
side?
outside, yeah. Of it. Because that's where the books are you. That's good. Then
This one where? Or at the same time, second there?
no, on the back edge.
Yeah, this way.
Yeah,
Like
no,
this one?
on the. No, you could do, yeah, just do that. Right, Darren.
Yeah.
If you come down now, we'll put the stabilisers on.
I kind of need to.
Yeah, after you clip that in.
Yeah.
That's lots of stuff in there. No, that's not coming down.
It's okay,
Just
fix
leave
it
it just
after.
now, we'll get a hammer and fix it after.
It's with all the old cement on it.
Right, come down. And then put the stabilisers on.
Go.
Dad. Yeah, I'll do there, or do you want me to go round here? Maybe let's go round.
Yeah, go
That.
around it, yeah, so it's tight as possible.
It's just for star Claudia.
I'll get a pin for the bottom.
Good? Yes.
Good. And the same for this one.
How far do you want it round? Do you think here?
Yeah, just
Here?
something like that.
Or are you better putting them this way?
It needs to slide up once I
There.
put this in. Solid then?
How far do you want it up? How far do you want it up?
Up as much as it slides, and I'll pin this.
Okay.
Again. Is that it?
Yeah. And no, you need to bring it down more.
Is that it?
Yeah. But you will sink it over time. The grass, you know that, right? Get some bricks, no?
No, just
Okay.
You peg it.
Pardon?
You peg it.
Take what?
Peg it to
Yeah.
the ground. Just hold like that.
Yeah, you can, but you don't need to if it's balancing.
okay.
Tighten that there. That just moves it around.
Did you see that one
So-
there?
Moves because that.
Did you see
I
that one?
can't tighten it further because it's got it's hooking on that underneath.
Did you see that one piece there goes on that? I think that's what you said.
No, it's one of the cross pieces.
Right, now we just need to lift the platform.
Maybe we should put some. No.
Yeah, that's good.
Why don't you take the board off when you're lifting it? The board comes off.
So we're going to stop.
Your dad's up
We
one
want
more.
to get up to here, Darren, so
Wait,
we
don't
can
put
then
it-
start to the top of it. Okay? The hardest bit's going to be getting past this metal. Right?
If you're going, I'll stay here.
You go, yours is this. Okay?
You got it. Okay, go towards you. Go left. It's hitting on that.
Sorry, come up past it, then it needs to you. Through.
You can.
No, you can't. Go to you. That's it.
Yep, that's you, you're leaning.
Right, you can lift it.
Is that hooked on here?
Yeah, hooked up here, but you're going to have to come this way, but you're going to have to twist it to get up past that metal. Okay? It's that metal. That's going to cause you the problem.
It's stuck on something.
Right, up past that metal.
I can't see.
You're alright, keep pulling it up.
No, it's stuck there.
Where's it stuck?
It's stuck on that corner.
Right, push it forward just a little, that's it, push it.
Right then, wait, I need to go up further.
Keep the poles in the middle of your joints of your feet. Yes, trapping the metal bracket at the wall there. So Darren, tilt it slightly. That's it, good.
Right, get up to where I am,
Let it rest.
Get up.
and then we'll have a rest.
Yeah.
Right, so for me,
Yep. You up.
ready?
So you Darren,
Down there.
down on the poles.
You okay?
Long same one?
Right.
That's good.
Come
Hands
down. Come
I know, not the
down.
same one. I need to go
You're
that one.
squint.
Okay.
Your Darren needs
Yeah,
to
no,
go
no,
up.
wait 2 seconds.
One more.
Okay.
I need to lock my leg in because it's got.
Not a very good idea, Darren. Locking your leg in. But
Okay.
yeah,
Right.
okay.
Right. Ready?
Where am I this one?
Yeah, that way. Okay.
Probably not high enough.
Stop twisting your legs.
Okay.
That's
Ready?
good. Just
No.
lock your arms in.
Okay. Ready?
Yep.
Yeah, that's all I'm doing.
Go.
Pull it up. That's it.
Towards you, please.
Yep. Forward to you and to you, Darren. That's it.
And
Good.
wrong.
Lock it in.
I'm on.
You're not on,
If you're
Bob,
not
are
on, it
you?
needs to be pushed.
That's it. Good.
Wow.
Well done. Good job.
Okay, come down.
It was really awkward when you were trying to get past the metal bracket there on the wall. That was the hard part. But wow, yes, good. And the cup. Nope, back bit, that's it.
You got it? We'll just wait till he gets that side on and we'll get the other side on. Because there's nowhere to take it to just now.
That's good, once you start climbing on it, it'll be fine.
that's not moving anymore. It's not going down. You're hitting
Well,
the hammer.
Yeah, but we can get the hammer.
Can you get me a hammer?
No,
Yes,
we'll get in a minute. We'll get this
after.
one up first then. Don't you get a hammer, honey? Out the forge.
A rubber one or just a normal?
Just a normal.
A rubber one. Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. That's it. That's good. That one went in, no problem.
Yeah, Dad, and for the other side.
Oh, this is the bogus hammer you got me.
Is it?
Yeah.
That's good. It's good.
That's good. See, I'm feeling a bit better now that I've got sides.
Well, I think anyone would feel better if they had
Yeah, I
sides.
know, but
You're brave up there. I
yeah,
wouldn't.
also I
be,
don't like heights.
I wouldn't be up there without these braces. The braces now,
Dad can
Robert,
pass me them through there if he wants. Maybe.
through the hat.
Oh no, it's okay.
No, it'll
It's
be
probably
very
easier to pass them on
complicated.
outside.
Yeah.
So, do I just from there? I'm guessing to up there, and then the highest here.
Okay. They'll pass right up to him. Anyway.
You sure?
Yep.
Okay. Positive?
Yep. We'll pass them straight up. Now if you go that way, Dan,
Okay.
from just on that lower one to the top one, where's the joint?
There.
Yeah, from there to the next one.
That's the next one, maybe.
Should it not be on the outside? No, it's fine there, that's it. It's fine.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, we're not going to do it like the bottom bit here. We're
Right,
going to
so
do more.
this is on the inside then. On the inside of the bar that was closed.
Honey, that piece was.
So that end down there, what's the highest it can go to? Up there. So the highest on that one it can go to.
It's probably that one. Same on this other
No,
side.
go higher.
Higher.
That one, yeah. That'll be at the top, the second one at the top, which is the one above that there. We'll go that one instead.
Let's get as far as we can.
Right, Darren, now this,
Okay.
Maybe.
this on, do another X on the back edge. Not as high as you can, to the second top one.
So where about?
Second top.
Second top. Try and keep back. Back edge. Okay.
Yeah, that's it.
Alright.
Should I do it further back?
Yes, right back, and then do this one in front of it, go in the opposite direction. The opposite diagonal.
I'm used to doing cross it. Fence them in. No, it just all goes like that.
The same bit, Dad, yeah?
Yes.
So they're the pieces. hammer, mate. Good job. You can almost touch the chimney.
Still got quite a bit to go. Right, let's move this up then.
This is the anxious part. This is where it's anxious. Taking it one at a time.
Right, Dan.
Right, to you, Darren.
Where are you going?
Up, up. Towards you, Robert, lightly.
Trying to reach that.
Need to look at what you're doing, Dan.
Yeah, up. You clip it if you go up a little bit more. That's it, you're clipped on.
You sit on there now.
Why are you going too high?
So he needs to. You need to lift it up and on there so I can move up.
That's it. Get yourself strapped up. Don't look down. It's the worst thing that you could do. You need to push your feet in more, Darren. That's it.
Up. Okay,
Sit on that one.
sit on that one. That's good. Okay,
It's not hard, got one more.
one more.
Again, like last time.
Okay,
Yeah, one more.
ready?
Towards you.
Towards Dad's. Towards you a little bit more. Up. Lock. And
Sit
lock.
down.
Perfect.
You in there?
Yeah.
He's in.
Right.
Yeah, rest.
Okay.
Good job, boys. Good job. Wow.
You.
Darren,
Okay.
tell me when you want it.
Whenever you can.
Go.
Hello.
Don't stand up. Don't stand up. Just take it like that. Yeah? That's it.
Next, please.
I'll wait Darren getting this up first, as he's a little bit hesitant with the height. If you can't do it, Darren, just tell us.
I can, I just need to concentrate.
Do you want a pole to go across it?
No, you can't until he gets it up. He needs to get the two of them up first.
Alright. Do that side first.
It looks like he's about to faint.
Darren, don't do it if you feel like you're going to faint.
No, I can do it.
Right, okay.
Stand it against the back wall if you're unsure.
Yeah.
I just need to get a bit of height on this.
See. That's good. that bit in first. That's it, good job.
What's the problem then?
He's got it, he's got in. Use the hammer if you're unsure. That's it, good job.
Okay. Is it too tight against the building? What's the problem?
So it's okay, it's good. Dad.
No, it's good,
the
just use
hammer
the
it.
hammer out, yeah. They're a bit stiff because they're not, well, they're rusty, they're not oiled much. It's just the height that works.
Yeah.
That must be too tight against the building.
Okay.
Why?
Because he's going to burst the metal. I can hear it vibrating everything and knocking stones down. It's just silly.
Well, do you want to get down first then?
No, just
Go.
I'll tell you when, Darren. Now.
then get ready to pass the diagonals up so he can.
You put them on.
Yeah.
Mind the outside first so you can tilt it against the wall. That's good. That's it, push. That's good. Yep, it's going in. Perfect. I got you a better one this time, the other one was a bit rusty.
Right, so we need maybe 4 diagonals here.
Okay,
Wow, it's high.
of course it's it's a big house.
Right, that'll make you feel safe.
Right, let's go for it.
Right, where's the best place to put it, Dad?
Put it 2 from the top. Second one down. And across again.
2 from like there.
Second
Yep.
from the
Yes,
top.
Second one done.
That's it.
Down to wherever it goes.
Yep. 2, 2,
That's it.
2 and 2.
And then we'll put one the other way, and then it should be safe. You should feel safe because you boxed them.
Just use the hammer, Darren.
Yeah, it's... Wow.
I know, mate, it's high. You're so
Especially when you
brave.
don't like heights.
Well, we did offer, but you wanted
Yeah,
to.
but I need to try and
You
overcome
insisted.
it.
You
Do I put it on the further out, Dad?
Yes,
Yeah.
whatever you need to do. So the other one's the opposite, isn't it? Good?
Just let me fix on the side.
Yeah.
Don't look down there.
Right, okay. That's the next bit, please.
What do you think it's like stood on this plank then?
Yeah, that's probably more dodgy.
Yeah, it is.
More dodgy.
Hmm? So that's going the opposite way on the front, and then we'll pass you 2
So
for the
like
back.
there, Dad, yeah?
Is that?
The same again,
Just
2
same
and 2.
again, the other direction.
Yep.
You should be a bit safer now, you crossed in.
Yeah, I'm a bit safer now that I've got...
And I'll pass 2 more up to the other side. And then it's back to the same again. We need to. The problem is after Darren,
Yeah.
we're going to have to lift that up again, aren't we, to the height you need it.
Yeah, pretty much, yeah.
And. Honey! What are you doing?
The smell.
Yeah, but you almost hit the van when you turn. It was about an inch away.
Right, where am I putting this? Just again
At
on
the
the
back.
top one.
Back, same again, 2, 2. Grease it. Wait, are you on the right bit? Yeah, out. You want it out, yeah.
On the same bit, yeah, Dad.
Yes, of course. Yeah.
That's good. Next one.
The last one. Okay, Darren, are you coming down?
I can probably stay up there.
Okay. This way. Okay. Go up then. Just go up to the one just in front here.
Just
one at a
take your-
time, babe.
Just take your time.
Just one at a
Don't
time, Dad.
rush.
Just go up.
Yeah, one at a time, I
Go up
think.
to the next one. Rest it on it. No, rest the bottom on it. That's it. Okay. Okay, then again. Then again. Okay.
Can you come to me?
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. To me.
No, you can't because you're not up high enough, Robert.
And fine.
But your angles are
That's okay. See?
up. That's it. I think there's perfect.
No, it's not.
Oh, okay.
What we do?
Up. Into you. Up to me. Again. To me.
Towards your dad. That's it.
And I can just slow it on this one.
No. We'll go on the next one. So we need to get on the roof.
Yeah, I can't go any further.
Okay.
No, I can't.
Lift. Okay.
Let's put it on this
Okay,
one.
Bill, now. Go.
Right, rest it on that.
Okay.
Then go up.
Okay. To me. To you. You there?
Yeah.
You need to.
Pull it.
Mike's in.
But I'm not in, so you need to lift it up so I can drop the base down. Up. That's it.
That's it. You're in.
No, I'm not in.
It's okay. Push it.
Good. You're in now.
Okay. Up. it in one rung at a time. Okay? One rung at a time.
Not fast. Good job. Well done.
Ooh, wow. That's high.
Yeah.
Why I left it up there, Dad. It looks a lot better with the cable gone.
Yeah, I've been needing rid of that for a while. It's an ugly thing.
Yeah.
Anyway, that's a video getting it up there, isn't it?
Yeah. Okay, that's us all the way up to start chiselling at the top and cementing. Sorry we didn't get the last piece at the top, the barrier, videoed. We started recording but it didn't actually capture it on recording. But we did get most of it all the way up, and we hope you like it, and we hope you'll watch more videos. Follow us along the way from top to bottom of chiselling and cementing the old wall. Thank you. Goodbye.